Tu feins d'être voir du monde. Je suis moi sans phare, sans masque. Pas besoin d'être roi, je suis bien comme ça. Vidu, tu veux être roi du monde. Je suis moi sans phare, sans masque.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to create cartoon animations using the Universal Cartoon Generator GPT and Hailuo Minimax AI. To begin, we'll click on Quick Start, which will prompt us to choose a style. For this demonstration, let's select option 5, the comic book style, and opt for a 3D comic book style. The tool will then generate our character. Of course, you can skip the Quick Start option, but I am using it here as a demo. You'll see that it generates both the image and the character details for demonstration purposes, but you can always create your own custom characters. Okay, here is our character. Now, we'll decide what action she should perform. Let's say she's walking into a coffee shop. We can also make more complex requests, such as having her drink coffee in a close-up shot or a profile view, and see how it turns out. Each generated image comes with a prompt underneath, which serves as the text-to-video animation prompt. Next, I'll generate a few more images and then create the videos so you can see how well they turn out. Here is our character again. If you notice any missing details, for example, this time she's missing her jacket, it might be due to an inconsistency, or perhaps she took it off. To fix this, we can request, please add character details and recreate this shot. Next, let's add a new character. We'll ask the AI to create John's character details. This is the first time we're doing this, but you can always provide your own details instead of letting the AI generate them. Let's proceed and generate an image of John. Now, let's create John. For the coffee shop, we'll generate an image shot. You can also add more specific terms if you want different views, such as various camera angles or other details. Simply type your request, and the tool will generate the image accordingly. Cool. Everything is working as intended. Next, I'll turn this into a realistic video, and the tool will generate the animation prompt. To do this, I'll type, make this shot, remove the comic book style, and switch to a cinematic realistic style. Let's see how it transforms. This feature is particularly useful for creative projects like music videos, where you can switch styles while keeping the same image. It's fascinating to see how the style changes, and you can also experiment with different video animation AI tools. Okay, this one looks realistic, very cool. As you can see, the results are impressive. Now, I can continue working in this realistic style. For instance, if I say, now they are happy, the image will change accordingly. This way, you can generate a wide variety of options. There are many parameters you can adjust, such as character mood, appearance, and more. For example, here they are happy. This is likely the same character but in a realistic version. The colors are consistent because they're wearing the same jacket. She has blue eyes, while he has darker eyes. Everything is clearly defined. As you can see, this process is very easy to manage using ChatGPT. This is a wonderful custom ChatGPT that specializes in creating cartoonish styles. Of course, you can create any style, but since it's using DALL-E, the results tend to lean more toward a cartoon-like aesthetic rather than realism. Next, we'll download our images. First, we need to convert them into JPEG or PNG formats because the default format from ChatGPT isn't compatible with most video editors. Let's pause here, and I'll return once the conversion is complete. Okay, we're back with our video generator, Hailuo Minimax AI. I've already copied my prompt, and now we'll upload the images one by one to generate the videos. I'll start with the first image, and we'll proceed sequentially. Okay, the next image is ready. She's performing the action. Now, we have 5 images prepared, and we're waiting for the video animations to render. Our videos are ready. Let's take a look. This is the final one, and here is the second one. This one has more of a cartoon style, while the other is a static shot. You can see the steam rising from the coffee as she walks. It's really well done, and you can animate these scenes further. Here is a tip from Minimax AI. If you generate 5 videos at once, you'll notice that each shot has slightly different animations. You can then combine them into a longer sequence, extending beyond just 5 seconds to 10 or even 20 seconds. Okay, all 5 videos are generated. Let's review the results. As I mentioned, each one is slightly different, which is great. You can easily combine them to create a longer, cohesive scene. You can use this method with any AI generator, not just Hailuo AI Minimax. It works with tools like Kling AI, Vidu AI, Sora, and likely any other AI that generates videos from images. Next, we're going to upload a script from a movie. I've requested, please create a short from the uploaded movie. Let's see what it produces. It's asking which scene to use. Let's go with the first scene. We'll use the comic book creator in comic book style. It already has all the character details, so let's see how it turns out. Okay, it's very close to what I envisioned. Let's proceed to the next short from the same scene. In this scene, the character is running away during a police chase, and T here is gunfire. Let's see how it animates this. As you can see, it also provides the animation text, which I can copy and use to animate the scene further. I think the character is getting shot. I know the story, and it's really cool to see it come to life. The tool is creating very consistent characters. However, there is a small issue here. But I forgot to specify that in the character details. To fix this, I'll request, please add character details and see if it corrects the issue. Let's check. Okay, now the character is running away with the pen drive in his hand. This looks good. If I want to change the style of this scene, I can request, give me 5 different visual style options, just list the numbers and styles. Let's see what it offers. For example, I can choose a hand-drawn sketch style and request, please recreate the next shot in this style and remove the comic book style. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, this is a different design, and it has more detail. I believe this ChatGPT has around 1,000 different styles available. If you keep experimenting, it will provide you with a wide range of options. You can even download a full list of styles from our Patreon. This makes it perfect for creating books, stories, or music videos. You can use a real script, like the one I have here, and generate images for your video. You can also use another ChatGPT tool to write your script, and then use this one to create the visuals. Remember, we have a YouTube channel where we upload new tutorial videos every 3 to 4 days. We also have a Patreon where members can access exclusive content, such as specialized prompts. If you join Patreon, you'll receive notifications about new uploads and gain access to additional resources. You can also follow us on Twitter and join our Facebook group. Links to these platforms are in the description. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow us on YouTube. Bye-bye.